Hi, my name is Dr. Matt Becker, and I am the Chief Technology Officer of ImmunoShield Therapeutics. At ImmunoShield Therapeutics, we are empowering cell therapies. So cell therapies are an emerging class of medical treatments that are designed to replace damaged or non-functioning cells with healthy donor cells in order to restore normal function to the human body. In my job, I really enjoy being able to talk to people about the really amazing science that we're doing at ImmunoShield Therapeutics. One of the most important skills that I've picked up and that I've found has benefited me most is what I like to call coachability. So being able to take constructive criticism from people around you, because people have wonderful ideas around you, but if you can't listen to those and if you can't incorporate those into your work, into your everyday life, then you're probably not going to make it very far. So coachability is a big one for me. And then another one is, of course, public speaking. Public speaking is a skill that not everybody has. Not everybody is comfortable getting up and talking to a room of people. But I like to think of public speaking as anywhere from talking to one person to a room full of 200 people. To me, that's what public speaking is, and that's what I really enjoy about my job. One of the most important academic skills that I learned throughout graduate school and I'm using very heavily now is actually writing. Being in the STEM fields, you wouldn't think that writing is super important, but in order to convince people that what you're doing is worthwhile and convince them that it is sound, scientifically sound, something as simple as having good sentence structures is super important. Another skill that I still use is just everyday math, starting in algebra, right? Just how to solve an equation for a variable. Anytime I'm in the lab working on science with other students, other colleagues of mine, just simple algebra to find one single variable, I guarantee you every single time I'm in the lab, I'm doing that. And really algebra is the foundation for everything that comes after that. So those skills are super important for what I do now. When I was in high school, I really enjoyed my math and science courses. And in particular, when I took my first biology course, I was like, wow, I really like biology. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to do for a career path, what I wanted to do in college, I was looking for ways that I could combine my enjoyment of math with my enjoyment of biology and some sort of engineering maybe. And as it turns out, there's this field called biomedical engineering. So with that, I would get to apply my love of math and science to biology, to medicine, and hopefully be able to help people. So a piece of advice that I would give to students is to find something that you're passionate about and having the confidence to be able to go out and ask other people for advice. It's one of the best ways that you can learn, and I can guarantee you that almost anybody that you ask for advice is going to be willing to give you something. Anybody that's in a position like mine or those people around me, we love talking about what we do and we love trying to help other people that aren't quite where we are get to where we are. It can be something as simple as sending a cold email, picking up the phone, just knowing how to have a conversation, how to hold a conversation, ask good, thoughtful, insightful questions, and really get to the answers that you need to get at in order to pursue what you're trying to pursue.